Hello and welcome. We're coming to you this week from Maryland. I've been here with the team at Ingram Micro at their One conference. Some key takeaways for me, as we look at AI adoption, we're obviously hearing from the hyperscalers, we're hearing from some of those big data providers, we're hearing from Oracle, we're hearing from the data lakehouse guys. But what we're not hearing as much from is the channel. So it's been fascinating this week to really dive in. I got some time with Paul Bay, the CEO of Ingram, with Sanjib Sahoo, who's leading platform strategy for the organization. And really what's been the key takeaways from some of those conversations is really how AI is being infused across the entire business, what they call their Xvantage platform, to really add value. So what does that mean by adding value? This is an AI use case being put into production. They started on this journey about 3 years ago, recruited a whole bunch of data scientists. Sanjib was talking us through 4 petabytes worth of data that they've accumulated over the last 46 years. And what that does is it enables them to look across all of that supply chain, all of that flow of data, the vendors, the resellers they're selling through, and ultimately those end clients, and be able to infuse that entire data set with AI. What does that mean? How do we put next best action and recommendations in front of the reseller? This customer bought this product. Here's the 6 things that you could surround that customer with. Looking at those 50 plus data points that they've got and being able to infuse those conversations. What does that mean practically for Ingram? It means more revenue flowing through their platform. Company announced earnings just before the conference, and we're seeing 3 quarters of growth, double digits in 2 of those quarters, and 7.2% growth in their last quarter. So starting to translate. What does that also mean? Cost to serve within the Ingram business. The ability to drive out cost, according to Sanjib Sahoo, as I say, who's looking at platform, over 200 million's worth of savings. So increasing top line, increasing margins, and increasing the ability for them to bring success to their partner channel. So practical use cases this week on AI, obviously lots of partnerships. We heard about how they're leveraging cloud marketplaces and how that's a strategic driver for the company, not a threat, which you would think on the surface, but how they're working with the hyperscale partners to be a trusted part of that value chain. So a fantastic few days, lots to unpack, research note coming in from me that's going to position more on that. Video with Paul Bay, recommend you check that out. I was impressed, came away impressed with that video. So we'll drop that as well, so check that out. So lots to unpack. Quick takeaway, AI in the channel. It's not a future direction, it's today. You've been watching HyperFRAME Research's podcast. Please click subscribe and do all the things, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching.